Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, today I have got a very interesting instant to be shared with you. So, there are many instances wherein we try to assess ourselves where we are standing in our life. I have got some 10 parameters wherein they can help you to total the sum and tell you where are you standing in your life. You have to assess yourself on these parameters from 0 to 10. Don't put 5 because 5 is saying sitting on the fence. Either you should agree that it is low or it is high. So my first parameter to assess is health, which we don't give any importance, many of us. Then next is career. Then comes the relationship, what you are having with your society. Then how much time you are spending on spirituality. Coming to the next parameter is called family. We many time oversee them. Then comes the wealth. Normally when we talk of wealth becomes the foremost important in our life, but for me it is 1/10 of our life. It is only one part. And next is no agenda time. What is this? This I have included because we have now stopped sitting together without any agenda. Either we are going for shopping, again it is agenda. We are going for movie, it is agenda. Earlier days we used to have chopal. They used to discuss without having anything in their mind. They just laugh. They'll just do some naughty things. They'll enjoy that moment. So we have stopped that. So I would like to assess you on this parameter as well. Then comes the social acquaintance. How much you are getting involved in your social activities. Because of all this running around in the career and professional life, we have stopped attending marriages. You have stopped attending going to our social friends. Assess yourself on this parameter. Then comes the self-learning. Many of us do self-learning, but self-learning in what sense? I don't say self-learning is or learning anything is important. Learning in the direction of your goal is important for me. Many of us are learning, but learning in different directions. And the last and not the least is contribution to the society. What we are giving back to society. I'll just repeat all the 10 parameters once again. That is health, career, relationship, spirituality, family, wealth, no agenda time, social acquaintance, self-learning and contribution to society. With this, I hope once you're able to assess yourself on these parameters, you will be able to find the gaps wherein you need to work upon. And working on this will also help you to develop yourself not only physically, mentally, and emotionally also. And once you start doing something back to society, that is contribution to society, you will be empowering your soul. You will be delighting your soul. So this is the mantra from my end to do holistically. Thank you.